Omuthi areni muthenya wa Easter, Good Friday. Kristiano thĩ ng'ima nĩ marũrũnganĩte nĩgetha gũkũngũĩra gũkua kwa Mwathi Jesu. Kambe tuone mbica ĩno. Tuko twakinya yeah, so that is it. That is happening today. All around our country, Kenya, and all the whole world. Thousands of believers across the nations have gathered and are going on a walk to commemorate the suffering that Jesus Christ went through for our sake. And this is a very impactful season in our faith, because it is everything. It is all that matters. Why Jesus was beaten, Isaiah 53 verse 5, for our transgressions, and for the healing of our wounds. He was crushed and pierced. Now this is the day that Christians remember, and it marks the foundation of our faith. That death of Jesus Christ was very much important to us, so that he could raise from the dead. God could raise him by the power of the Holy Spirit. And that is why I become a Christian now. Because if Jesus did not rise from the dead on the third day from this one, my faith could not matter. But now, sisi tunaingia kazi na tunaendelea kusherehekea, and more grace to them as they walk around. This happens once in a year, and so